last few years, there's been a huge push, and that push has been to acreage. A lot of people are trading the super short commute for just a slight bit longer, a little bit longer drive through the country to get onto 2 private acres like we find ourselves today. 5535 Myers Lake Drive offers this tranquil sanctuary built into this hill. It's a craftsman style home offering 4,200 square feet of beautiful finish. I mean, they don't really build homes like this anymore. This home sits just 15 minutes from downtown, yet feels like you're in the middle of northern Michigan. 10-foot ceilings here, 4 beds, 2 full baths, 2 half baths, and a private drive that makes all your worries go away as soon as you get home. So take a look around, take a walk with me, enjoy it, and I appreciate you taking a look.